opinion, high on priority, because you can go in and save changes, you can save settings.
That's true.
And then if you need to reset the radio, you can reset it and put things back the way you want it, or make changes. But you have a backup of it. Let me tell you, there are a lot of menu choices.
No, I know that.
In one function you have radio functions, and then you have band functions.
Oh.
And each band can have 3 different settings. And the sucky thing is they don't identify them.
Oh.
They don't identify those 3 band settings. So, for example, if I press the 28 megahertz, I can press it 3 different times and get 3 different settings. The first one I have set up for digital. That gives the output through, for the digital frequencies.
Yeah.
And then if I press it again, I end up with USB. And that gives me the sideband.
Yeah.
So that I can just pick up the mic and talk sideband.
Uh-huh.
And then the third setting is generally set for FM, or I leave it set at the blank frequency, like 28.000.
Sure.
So like on 50 megahertz, it's 50.313 digital, and then the next selection would be USB, which is usually setting on, just because that's where they are at on Sundays.
Yeah.
And then the third selection is set for 52.525 FM.
Uh-huh.
So I can just select through those 3 functions and get either digital, sideband, or FM.
Yeah.
And it's nice to be able to do that, but there's nothing identifying it. You have to know where you're at within those 3 selections.
Yeah.
Once you start using it, I know you don't really understand what I'm telling you.
No, I understand. I understand it. I don't completely understand it, but yeah.
Right. You'll see once you start playing with the buttons and start. But the main thing is, don't be afraid that you need to reset it, especially once you have the software. Once you have the software and you download it, man, you can make all the changes you want and then reset it, and then if you need to, just reload it,
Yeah. No, and I realize that, and I was that way with my 400 at first, but then I'm like, oh shit, I can freaking just reset it or whatever. And is this where I need to turn?
You said soda beam winders?
It's band winder or band something is like the line, and then it's called MIDI.
All right.
Mike India, Delta India. It's an in-fed halfway. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Man, I'm lost over here west of Zilker Park, trying to get back over across to where I know where I am. These big ass houses. They're beautiful.
You spend more time looking at the houses.
Oh damn! Okay, I'll just go back this way. I just made a big circle.
There was a fox over there not that long ago.
Oh yeah, at that park. Okay, that's where that park is. At the Zilker.
Yeah.
The Zilker Clubhouse Park.
Yeah. I didn't think it was Zilker Clubhouse, but it could have